Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at this brand new 2021 XLR Boost by Forestriver. This is the 21 QBS XLR Boost model. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside of the RV, then we're going to come back to the outside, show you around the outside, then we'll close it all up, show you what it looks like closed. We'll be right back on the inside. Alright guys, we're now up inside this new XLR Boost 21 QBS trailer here. And we're going to start looking toward the rear of the RV and then kind of work our way around. Now, looking down here, you can see the rubber floor section down there. That's technically an option. So you can do either the rubber floor feature or you can just have this linoleum all the way back through. A lot of people like the rubber floor because it does give it a little more grip when you're trying to load a vehicle in here wet. Bed system in here, nice little feature to have. It's an option that you do have the choice of doing or not doing. The bottom area can be used as a little dinette area or seating area, and then it will also make into a bed that you can see here. And then the top bunk will also drop down as well, and you can see pop up there too. In the back here, this was also ordered with the optional patio rail system here. And there's a little screen wall section here that zips up in the middle. I've got it up here, but you can see in the picture here, it'll pop up, drop down on one side. But that right there allows you to basically use this back porch and not 100% lose all your air or let all the bugs in kind of thing. You can drop that down and kind of use that little screen wall section. Really cool little setup for a smaller toy hauler here. There's 10 D-rings in the floor back here, so you have quite a bit of tie-down section as well. Little blackout things on the windows there. There's electric outlets on the left wall here, and then USB charger port over on the right wall there. On the side of the kitchen cabinet there are some heat ducts that allow it to blow out, so no in-floor ducts anywhere right here. There's two pull-out drawers and some storage below the sink. You do have the high-rise sprayer faucet along with a single bowl undermount sink there as well. Some overhead cabinet space above the sink there. Some space above your microwave. You have the Greystone microwave, Greystone hood range with the built-in light, and the Greystone oven with the glass front and the glass lid, 3-burner stove top, and there's a little drawer down below as well. But it's kind of nice that there are matching features there, matching appliances. Down below the refrigerator there is your electric box with your breakers and fuses, along with your propane leak detector. Refrigerator wise, you have the Norcold 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator system. Some overhead storage above that as well. Now on this 12 volt fridge, like this customer actually chose to do the renewable energy package, which puts a solar panel on the roof. Nice feature to have. And that will basically recharge up his battery system. He also did the 1500 watt inverter system as well. So if he's out boondock camping, that will kind of juice it up on a good sunny day and keep that fridge going for a lot longer. No waste of propane there at that point. And again, recharging the battery. The solar controller is right there next to the entry door there. Flat screen TV feature there. Electric fireplace. In between there is your radio along with your monitor panel system right there, your little control panel. That has your slide button on it, or I'm sorry, your awning button on it, some light switches, water pump switch, your monitor panels for your holding tanks and stuff as well. Now in this direction, you can get into the bathroom from out here. We'll pop up some pictures of this too so you can see it a little better. But right here is also a fireplace or AC switch and your air conditioner and furnace control. Now you can also get to this bathroom from the bedroom as well. You have a turbo exhaust fan up top there. And we'll take another look at that from inside the bedroom area. Now going into the bedroom area, right below the bed there is the generator start stop button. Again, the unit comes pre-wired for a generator. We'll pop up a couple pictures of this as well too so you can see this a little better, but you do have a camper queen bed. Nice big mirror across the front there. Some USB charger ports in the slide on each side, along with an electric outlet over there on the left of the dresser, and a light switch over there too. Now on the right side over here is another large closet, pretty tall closet area there. And you have your 6 dresser drawer there as well. Sliding pocket door here, and some TV hookups up top as well. Kind of get you a different angle here of the bathroom section. Foot flush toilet, little shower area. Now on this bed, we'll show you how that all closes up once we come back in from doing the outside. Alright guys, we're now back on the outside of this XLR Boost 21 QBS. We're going to start here in the front section of the RV and then kind of take you around the outside here. Starting up front here, we have a power tongue jack with a manual override and a built-in LED light. 2 5/16 hitch ball, typical safety chains, breakaway cable, and 7-way Bargman plug for your lights and brakes. The unit does have 4-wheel brakes. 2 20-pound propane tanks underneath that black cover there with the auto changeover regulator. The unit will come standard with 1 deep cycle interstate battery from Couch's RV Nation if you purchase from them. There are none from the manufacturer when you buy it originally from the manufacturer, so make sure your dealer does at least get you one. Lower portion of the front of the RV is a metal diamond plate, and the front section is also a gray aluminum. Now on the side of the RV, this one was ordered with the optional fiberglass exterior. If you don't do the fiberglass exterior, you do get an aluminum side-in. So basically you got a choice which way you want to actually get the RV. Now behind this black door here is a pretty tall storage compartment. Which would be great for like fishing poles or things like that for sure. Little bit of depth to it. This one was ordered with the inverter system option along with the renewable energy solar package and stuff like that. So that is another option that you've seen there in the picture. You don't have to get again if you're not really an off-the-grid camper, but this customer chose to do that. Now down below you can see the spare tire, also the little blue LED lights that are in the frame down there. That's on both sides, and some low point water drains right here. And then the unit has power stabilizer jacks as well. That is an option. You get standard manuals option power depending on how you want to order it. Some people like power, some like manual. Either way, you got your choice. Outside utility shower here, hot and cold water. The heavier duty more ride step. This is a triple step with adjustable feet to get you in and out of the RV. So this comes down, touches the ground. It doesn't shake the camper as bad when you're going in and out. And again, it holds more weight. These steps are rated for 500 pounds, where traditional RV steps are only rated for 300. Power awning, which is a push button, in and out button. And it also has the manual override in the head of the first arm up here, so you can crank it in and out manually. It's a little bit nicer than some of the other ones where you got to take them apart to manually roll them up in case of a failure. The arms are adjustable for tilting and water runoff, and then you also see the blue LED lights on the arm ends there. Traditional RV entry door and screen door, large folding entry handle to help you get in and out of the RV. 2 exterior speakers here, and they do have the blue accent lighting on them. Again, double axle. There's electric outlet and TV hookups out here as well. Also, you'll see your model number next to the entry door there. Now down here in the lower rear section, you have your little pet-friendly leash hook, your fuel station, and your on-off switch with your fuel gauge. And just behind that is also the fuel pump itself. Now on the rear of the coach down here, I also put down the back power jack so you could kind of see what that looks like. Now this one was also ordered with the rear optional patio setup here. So you don't have to get this if you don't like that feature, but that's a pretty neat little option that just kind of, on a nice fall day or, early spring day, be able to have your air running, drop down this screen system or wall system, and basically just kind of kick back, relax out here without losing all your air. Also, the screened-in wall there will help kind of keep the bugs and stuff out as well, if you do like the patio feature. Now, you can purchase aftermarket some steps that come off the rear here, so it does have a little swing gate built into it as well. Up top there, you can see there's a little blue LED light on the rear of the RV as well. And then there's also a pre-wire spot for observation or backup camera system if you wanted to put something like that on there. Would definitely recommend the observation camera system. That way you can use it while driving down the road and not just when you're backing into a spot. Now down below on this lower corner right here, you can kind of see your little dump hose holder down there as well. And also those power jacks can manually be cranked up in case of a power failure, by the way. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater located right here above the back tire. And the electric switch is right here in the lower left corner, and your drain plug there in the middle. Now the gas switch is inside on that monitor panel that we showed you earlier. Up top there is going to be one of the side vents. And then you do have over here your stove exhaust vent. Down below right here is your furnace exhaust. And in between the furnace and the water heater there are some of your hookups. So you have your freshwater inlet for your portable tank, your city water hookup, cable and satellite, and also your black tank flush. Now right here below the detachable power cord there is your gray and black tank dump. But you can also kind of see back and kind of reach to it more for the, like in between the axle area there, but you can kind of see it up underneath of there. The little white tube sticking down to dump your freshwater tank. Now over here is a boxed out area for 1, storage if you want to use it for that, or 2, the generator option. So you could order it with a generator from the factory if you wanted to. You don't have to, but again, that is an available feature. Now there you can see your bedroom slide out from outside here. It is up high because, again, they're just doing the bed portion of it, so that allows it to be up higher for making room for the generator, but still giving you a little bit nicer arrangement for a bed in here. Now on the corner here, you're going to see pop up, we're going to do your gross vehicle weight sticker, your dry weight sticker, your carrying capacity sticker, and then your tire stickers as well. Now they put some of these stickers in different spots on the RV. So you have some on the corner, one on the frame, another one on the entry door area as well. So there's the VIN number is stuck in like 4 different spots, 3 or 4 different spots on the RV. All right, guys, we're going to head back inside this RV, close up the slide, and show you how that works. All right, guys, I wanted to show you how this bed system here actually works. Again, it's an electric Schwintek slide, so it's pretty simple. You push a button to bring it in and out. But on the bed system, because the slide is bigger than this area here for a mattress to come in, you do have to flip the mattress up. So basically the slide will come in over top of this black platform right here. And the buttons right here on the side of the bedroom wall. So pretty simple. So when the slide comes in, you kind of see here what it looks like. There's no real room to squeeze in there. However, if you really wanted to, you could come right on through here and get into this section if you needed to. So you could kind of squeeze around in here by going through the bathroom if you needed to. Alright guys, again, thanks for checking out my videos. Really appreciate you guys. If you have any questions, please give Couch's RV Nation a call. They are one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country, guys. They will definitely save you guys a lot of money on a new RV. Thanks again, guys.